Hi friends, while using WordPress CMS for our business website, we have hundreds and thousands of options of WordPress themes, templates, and plugins and everything. But what if you want to make a custom design website? You want to design at your own, you want to add elements as you wish, as you need. What you will do? I have a very simple solution in this video. You can use Breakdance. Yes, Breakdance is a website builder for WordPress CMS. And you can simply get Breakdance for free if you want to use it free forever. This is available and you can get started, and you can even get the pro plans and Breakdance unlimited website pro plans as well. So I'm going to add all the relevant links that you need. In this video, I'm summarily going to show you the features available with the Breakdance website builder. So as I said, Breakdance is a website builder for WordPress CMS, and you can easily install the plugin. This is a plugin in fact. And I have already installed the plugin, and while setting the plugin, I have this setting option. So I wish to show you the setting option that is available first. So in the global styles, we can launch the Breakdance for editing the pages, creating the pages, and we have disabled the theme that is recommended by the Breakdance and design every part your site with Breakdance. So you don't need any theme. First of all, it is really very important. So we are not going to use any theme if we are creating with Breakdance, and you can even choose to keep the theme. Further, if you want to create an e-commerce website, so you can enable or disable the Breakdance on e-commerce theme styles. It means you are going to style your e-commerce website using the Breakdance. Further, you can set the user access, how you want to allow user to access the Breakdance feature, maintenance mode, the performance. You can always optimize the performance, like you can disable the Gutenberg if ultimately we are not going to use it. We are using the Breakdance, we don't need the Gutenberg. Similarly, you can disable the XML, RP shipping bags, and WP emoji and this icons, so whatever. So it is all in your control. And API keys you can use directly if you are willing to use the reCAPTCHA or the Discord, webhook, URL, Slack, or what all these popular API can be integrated directly to the platform. Post type you can decide where you want to use the Breakdown. Similarly, some advanced settings like allow SVG uploads, media library, and all privacy settings, and the design library. You can choose design set, turn this website into a design set, or enable copy from front end and all. You have certain tools like regenerate CSS gas and soft reset, total reset, and create directories, so you can use the replace directories and all. So I'm not using anything else in addition to what Breakdance. So it is a simple core installation of WordPress, and only Breakdance is installed. And even as you see, I have disabled the basic themes as well. So now you might be wondering how we can proceed with the Breakdance. So you can opt to choose ready to use template to get started, or you can create templates at your own. So if you want to add template at your own, so you can click on add new template, and you can choose the target website category. Like if you are creating a website for single product e-commerce, so you can choose this, and shop page, product archives, a specific page, single post archive. So whatever you want to add, you can directly add from here, and it will create a template for you. Similarly, you can create headers, so you can add headers as per your choice, apply header to everywhere and all signals and post front pages, wherever you want to. This is a good feature that you can choose where you want to use this particular header that you are going to use, and it is going to super simple. Like if we are going to create a header, and we can add some conditions and priority as well, and we can simply add new header as well. So like I'm adding one header, and it can be simply edited further in the Breakdance page builder, or you can say the website builder. We can add elements as many as required, like we can add sections in the header section, or we can add new things like columns, grid, div, and all such things. So in the headers, what you want to use, you can easily search. Similarly, you can create footers and the global blocks using the options. So if you are willing to add a block globally, so you can create global block here, and further you can apply the conditions like editing background and setting so title and all. So this is very simple to use solution that I am going to show you. I am showing you in fact. Okay. So the pop-ups can be applied throughout the website. Similarly, form submission, you don't need any additional form plugin, so it is inbuilt in fact, and you can export the design library. So if you are willing to create a website using in the design library and already the templates, like if you are willing to create a beauty salon website, you can simply import the design library and this template from design library, and like this is importing the global styles, and it is going to be like it is a complete solution. In fact, if you are really keen and to make a website of your choice, and you don't want to use theme, and you don't want to be in dependency, so like we have imported the library and it is ready to use. So it is, and further editing is going to be so simple. So you can use the alt tags, the email, the header styles, and the text conditions, and it is simply going to launch. So you can edit the home page or the single product page, post, whatever. So it is really easy to edit, and you can add new sections as and where required, and your website will be ready in no time. So this is a complete solution. If you are really like, this is the website, we just added the sections, we can further decide what we want to add, and we can simply go to the backend for editing this page. Okay, so this is our page. So we can open Breakdance, open post archive, header template, header footer, and further it can be edited in the dashboard. Like if we talk about the pages, we just imported some page, so we can edit with Breakdance. It is like more or less it is like a general page builder, but yes, it is a complete solution in itself. So you can add new sections, as I said. You can edit the existing one. You can add new sections. If we talk about which sections are available, we can directly use the library. Like if we want to use the cart or checkout options, so it is already built in, and you can use this section directly to your website, like add to page or and list of things like checkout options. So this is the checkout option, and you can return to shop or add to page options. Further, you can edit or apply to the page. And similarly, we have multiple sections. We can add new section, columns, grid, div, headings, text, rich text, and all such things like blocks in the image blocks, basic list, and all. You can see all the features that you actually want to create a page: tooltip, social icons, gallery, fancy divider, progress bar, and many more things. So you can see the list here: dual heading, animated heading, image compression, notification bar, table of content, scroll progress. So you don't need to add any additional plugins for doing all these things. All the elements that you need, maximum elements that you need, it's available directly here, and you can further go to the advanced settings like content toggle, fancy content and wrapper links, and all dynamic content and the forms. So as I said, you don't need any additional form system, so you can simply use the form builder directly here. If you want to use a form builder, you can simply drag and drop and start creating a form, and further you can edit the form as well. So it is something like more than easy solution for creating a custom website, and you can simply uh, go using this solution, and I'm sure you are going to be happy with the solution called Breakdance. And as I said, you can have the pro versions, and so refer the watch demos. So you can go for demos. So all these things are available in the official website as well. I'm going to add the link, and I believe this is going to be a super solution for you if you are willing to create a custom website. So in the next video, I'm coming with more solution what with for your WordPress website. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.